One time for the birthday, bitch. Two times for the birthday, bitch. Three times for the birthday, bitch. Fuck it up if it's your birthday, bitch.
So hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you a birthday makeup look, specifically my birthday makeup look. Let me know if you guys like it, comment down below, like this video, and subscribe so I can reach 100 subscribers and many more. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, I hope you enjoy. So the first thing I'm going to do is going to use this concealer. This is the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Warm Honey, and I'm going to be using that as my eyeshadow base. Next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to take a piece of tape. This really should just be like some Scotch tape. I don't really suggest the package tape. And I'm going to be putting it on my hand a few times, like just to soften the tape up or whatever. And then I'm going to be putting that on my eye to make sure these shadows are really precise. Now we're going to pray. And before that, well, after that, we're going to take our Morphe M505 brush and this Aphrodite palette by Hush. And this is a dupe for the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. It has all the same shades, just in a different order. And they are pigmented, so if you're wondering, like, the quality is nice. And I just decided to get this one because I just don't have $40 to spend on the Huda Beauty palette. So first I'm going to be taking the color Blushing, that is this color right here, and I'm going to be putting that in my transition area. I'm going to be packing that color on, and then I'm going to be blending. So I'm going to be taking another Morphe M505, and I'm going to be taking the color Jealousy. This is this purplish color right here. I'm going to be putting that in my crease. You want to make sure you're not blending that color too far up so you don't ruin your transition color. Now I'm going to go back and blend in my transition color. And I'm done with that. I'm going to be taking a Coastal Scents Blending Fluff and the ItsMyRayeRaye palette. And I'm going to be taking the color Connie, just a really dark purplish color right here. It's dark, so you want to just like start small and then blend. I'm also going to be putting that on my outer V. Now I'm going to go back and blend all those shades out. Back to the Aphrodite palette, I'm going to be taking the color Tease. Just packing it on my brow bone. So now I'm going to cut my crease. If you guys want me to do like a detailed explanation about how I cut my crease, let me know. After I'm done cutting the crease, I'm going to be taking the color Heartbreak from the palette, and I'm going to be putting that right along where I cut the crease, just to add some drama. And then going back in with Connie. So now I'm going to be going in with the color Love from the Aphrodite palette and packing that on. I did wet the brush previously, so I'm just going to be using this color as a base for my glitter. You want to leave that like black purplish shade in the outer corner. Now I'm going to be doing some wing liner. You want to do this before the glitter because the glitter will kind of like make it hard to do it. Now I'm going to be going in with the NYX Glitter Primer and just a weird looking brush to apply. Okay, now that we let that glue get tacky, we're going to take our glitter, which is the Star Crush Mineral 24 Karat Roseate glitter and a G20 from Morphe, and apply. Look how pretty this glitter is. It's really super pretty. Now we're going to move on to the face. Since it's the birthday, you want to get all cake, okay? You want to get cake face. You wanna look like a birthday cake. You want to look like a celebration. You want to look like the main dish. You want to look like, I don't know, a surprise. I don't know. You want to look like all that. because it's your birthday, okay? So you want to prime. I'm priming with my same primer, the Prime Perfection Hydrating and Pore Minimizing by Milani. And for foundation, I'm going to be trying a new foundation today. You don't really want to do that on your birthday. You want to really stick what you know. But me, I mean, I'm just trying like a new shade. So my Fenty foundation, as you guys will probably see, was a little too light for me. Well, a little too dark for me. So I went the shade up, which is 370. And yeah, I'm just going to be using it on my face today. This might look a little light on me at first, but it does oxidize and gets darker. So yeah, that is why I'm using this color. My opinion is literally like a perfect match. Love this foundation, just covers up my acne scars so well. For my forehead, I'm going to do it a little different. I'm going to use a regular foundation brush just so I can get around my eyebrows and, you know, those tight spaces. Then I'm going to go in and blend it afterwards. Now I like matte perfection. This foundation really looks good. I'm going to be concealing. I'm probably just going to use my Sephora Bright Future Concealer. And it's your birthday, so you want to look bright. You want to look like a star. You want to shine bright like a diamond. If you're me, you don't want to, you know, highlight your forehead because your forehead huge. And then you're going to blend that out. So I'm going to blend it out with a concealer brush. My e.l.f. Flawless Concealer Brush. You know. Firstly, I'm going to use the Sacha Buttercup powder. I'm just going to take the color Cafe from Radiance. It's just their powders. What's next? What's next? What's next? I'm going to put on blush and I'm going to set my face and then highlight. Taking the blush from the Carucci palette, the Femrosa palette. Let's put on lashes first. So, taking my lash book that I bought myself. Let's see what dramatic lash we're gonna do today. Yeah, I'm gonna do this one. These right here, right here. Do that off camera. Okay, so my nose is naturally contour. I put some lashes on. I really don't like these lashes that much. I put some contour and I did my bottom mascara. So I'm going to now set my face and get ready for highlight. Now taking this Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked highlighter, I'm going to be using this on my cheeks. Alright, so the next step is the lip color. I'm going to be using Stingraye and also going to be lining my lips with the NYX lip liner in the color Peek-A-Boo Neutral. So this is the finished look. Let me know if you guys like it. Like this video, comment down below, and subscribe on your way out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Fuck it up if it's your birthday, bitch. Fuck it up if it's your birthday, bitch. Fuck it up if it's your birthday, bitch. Fuck it up if it's your birthday.